Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your gear. Make sure your SIM is 5G provisioned and your phone supports the band. Once done, top up enough balance to cover the 5G bundle you want. Next, open the TM app or dial the official UST code to browse 5G promos, choose the exact plan and confirm purchase. As you confirm, note the promo code and expected validity. Do this now so the network can provision your account immediately. After purchase, you will receive a provisioning SMS. Accept or follow its link to activate the bundle. Then make sure your phone's network mode is set to 5G or 5G/auto so the device can camp on the faster band. If the carrier supplied an APN update, apply it and reboot your phone so the new profile loads. While rebooting, keep an eye on signal bars. Once back up, verify the bundle appears in your account summary. Finally, verify success by running a simple speed test and checking your data counter to confirm the 5G bundle is being consumed. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode, reset the SIM, or reapply the carrier APN then reboot. These quick steps often force reprovisioning. If problems persist, contact TM support, provide your SIM ICSID and activation timestamp, and request manual provisioning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.